Yeah.
The other thing I like is that you kind of wear archival stuff, like the 92 Pegasus. Is it the nostalgic feel for you, or just you love archival stuff?
It's more nostalgia, yeah, for sure. It's more like the emotional connection. It's just like I don't buy Jordans with a Jumpman on it. You know what I mean? It's like, it's not the real thing.
Right.
You know what I mean? So I need that Nike Air on the back kind of thing. And it's that emotion that I'm always kind of chasing in fashion or through design.
Bitch, these cost 1200, fuck you, man. Straight up. You see the little red stripe and shit, Prada, you know what I'm saying? Satisfied. Yeah. Alright, that Cartier neck, I don't give a fuck. Fuck all the politics, nigga, I am the politics. Realest nigga in this shit. Nigga. Touchdown in Sausalito, took the bitch for Calamari. Fuck the club, I'd rather count this money and make some more tomorrow. Corvette, never drive it, left it parked in Vallejo. Tux by the Cemetery, nigga, I've been doing well. $20,000 ring, and nigga, I ain't.
Alright, so what is up, YouTube fans? Sway Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker unboxing today. And today, it's been well overdue. The shoe released about 2 weeks ago, maybe a week ago. I don't even know, but I just got mine in from Sneaker and Stuff. Won another raffle, you guys. So I guess I'm 2 for 2 right now on Sneaker and Stuff. So if you ever want to put in a raffle, make sure you go on Sneaker and Stuff and put in a raffle for whenever they do sneaker raffles. So basically, like I said, I got my sneaker in today, and let's go ahead and get into it because I know you guys see the title already. So bam, we have the Nike Air Skylon 2 Fear of God model. If you're familiar with Fear of God, Jerry Lorenzo, he's pretty much a neutral guy. It's simple colors. He doesn't wear, you know, stuff that really pops. So it's mainly white, cream, black, those type of colors, you know, keeping it low key basically and keeping comfortable, in my opinion, from his style. But Fear of God, he's known for using, you know, good materials on clothing and sneakers. Whenever he does something, it's fairly, you know, crafted well. Sorry, you guys, they're working on this in the back, so yeah, it's a lot of noise going on.
Shut the fuck up!
But he works with great materials, and he usually takes his time. You've seen the Fear of God basketball sneakers he just put out, and he put out some Chucks that came out. So his collabs do very well. So with this sneaker, I've seen videos and they were saying the materials on the shoe were, they were alright, and having them in hand, fairly decent. I won't say that it's the best material, but from my knowledge, from having a pair of Skylon 2s, the materials are on par with what, you know, you get if you buy a Skylon 2. You still, I guess it's like some type of felt material in the front. You still get that, which if when you wear these, they're gonna attract like dust, grass, just whatever. It's gonna stick to this. It's almost like a Velcro. It's not a Velcro, but it's gonna attract some dust or lint or grass or whatever to the sneaker. And granted, I have white, so it's gonna show. Other than that, it's a good shoe. It's simple, not much to go into it about, but let's go ahead and get into, you know, some of the stuff that I did point out, or that I did spot that was fairly new to the Skylon that I could tell that Jerry did. So first and foremost, you have this nice soft leather that is up along the eyelids right here on each side. I noticed that, and on the bottom right here on the mid panel, it's that same leather. It's nice and creased. And I thought that was something that was fairly new compared to looking at my other Skylons that was new that he brought. And on the inside, it has this leather that's new. So the sneaker will probably get hot wearing it for a long, extended period of time. And something that I also noticed on the inside of the sneaker is, of course, the tongue off the bat and this lace lock off the bat is something that I knew, like Jerry integrated with the Skylon, and I like this perforated tongue right here and the lace lock. You know, gives it something new to set it aside from the other Skylon sneaker. And right here, the Nike swoosh is patent leather that you get that you won't get on the other Skylon, of course. And on the sidebar right here, instead of having Skylon 2, you have Fear of God. If you guys can see that, you have Fear of God. And that's pretty much it. And on the toe box, before I forget, it is 3M. Throughout the shoe, it's simple hints of 3M. You have it right here on the toe guard, and then you have the Fear of God that'll show up in 3M as well. So, oh, and then you have some swooshes back here on the side as well. So that is pretty much it that I've noticed that's new, that he added to the Skylon 2. And of course on the inside you have Air, Fear of God. So that's what I did find throughout the shoe that was new, that was added from his sense of style and the materials that he could work with. But overall, it's still a Skylon in my opinion. But having his little, you know, inputs onto the shoe, his additions added is nice, I must say. So it's not a bad shoe. I would say it's a decent shoe. It's not nothing to go crazy over. I still think they have this colorway on the SNKRS app, and you can get them fairly reasonable on StockX and other sneaker sites. But I think the black pair did kind of do well selling. So overall, it's a decent shoe, like I said. But I'm not gonna ramble on too much about the shoe because I know y'all probably already seen other videos about this sneaker. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into the on-feet of this shoe. But before we do that, make sure you guys hit that like button for your boy. Hit that subscribe button if you're a new viewer watching this video, and leave a comment down below if you need me to do like a how to lace these or something like that. I don't know, whatever, or just go crazy in the comment section, whatever you prefer. Swag kicks them out. Let's get into the on-feet video. Peace.
Left it parked in Vallejo, tucked by the cemetery. Nigga, I been doing well. $20,000 ring, and nigga, I ain't posted still. Fuck that small shit, bitch. I need that house in the hills. Never popped a pill, never squeal, bitch. Step it up. I'm on some other shit, bitch. I don't even get my hoodies dirty. I pay my bills early, shit. You gotta pay them anyway. Took the fee from the bitch, she paying niggas anyway. I get these bitches houses out the way, I don't never stay. New Chanel bag, Cartier, bitch going crazy. Sipping on this tea, I might chill out and read the paper. Fresh white tee, Prada sweats, chillin' at bodega. I can only take you out for lunch, no hanging later. I'm too deep, snow bunnied up, and I'm checking papers. Too much ice in the face, I can't read the date. You say you never had a real nigga, you gon' learn today. Working on my credit, shit, I might just take a trip today. Bitch bought me slice to have oranges on the golden plate. My life smooth, I'm popping willies up and down the Golden Gate. When your money reach a certain level, haters go hate. I don't got no time to drop my whips, I be out of state. Touchdown in Vegas, smoke the wood with my nigga Trey. I'm running kinda late, but I still got some shit to say.